Point.
Yeah, how do you go there?
Cheers.
I think that one does. Then why you follow me here?
Let's dig in.
Hi guys.
Hello.
We are starting a new playlist for our New Zealand trip. So
How many episodes? I think it's gonna
10.
be like 10 or 11 episodes of it.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
And be sure to subscribe to our
Subscribe.
channel. See you there. I'm currently trying to look for all the winter clothes. I don't know what to bring. There's a lot. Yeah. Hey, so we are packed up for New Zealand trip. As you can see, there's two luggages here. This one is the President luggage. That one is the XXF China, I think. And we strap the bikes in, and we put a bit of bubble wrap here to prevent the edges from getting damaged in transit. And we fully deflated the tires over here, and likewise with this one. So now I'm going to close it. One, two.
How much does it weigh?
Kilos. Wow. It should be lighter.
Because all the helmets are in that.
About 17.
Yeah. 17.
Yeah. So we were a bit worried. Needed a big car.
Our flight is delayed
Yeah.
from
8:45.
8:45
9:15.
to 9:15. Yeah, 8:45 to 9:15. Then now when we get into the moment when we just come in, right? Then I got a message from Malaysia Airlines. Then they say flight has been delayed. Flight delayed. flight delay till 10:30, need to wait 1.5 hour. Malaysia Airline boleh lah.
We flight at 10:30. We bought around 10 o'clock.
Given that the flight has been delayed, we got some refreshments from Malaysia Airlines.
Finally. You excited? Sleepy.
The wearing of face mask on board is optional. Oxygen masks are deployed. Please shades are up. Thank you for your attention.
So, is this the Brahim's meal? Nasi lemak?
I think so. I think it's Malaysia Airlines.
Malaysia Airline nasi lemak. So not the Brahim's nasi lemak. I have the what? Egg mitata. Mitata. Yeah. Next time, try not to gel your hair when you know that you're gonna take a long haul flight, because your hair is very ugly. Can you turn around so that I can take a clear look of it? Did you just make it proper again? Hey, is it dinner? Dinner. Yours is chicken. Mine is fish. And we're having white wine. Cheers. How would you rate from Mars Airline after they do not have Brahim? One, we just show me. 1, 2, 3. Why is I using phone? Yay! Safely arrived.
Alright, we are here in Auckland and it's 2:30 a.m. We are now pushing our luggages all the way from international airport to the domestic airport. I'm hoping to put our stuff in the locker and then call it a night.
So here we are at the Auckland Airport Motel. This is our room for one night in Auckland Airport Motel. It has just right enough of everything. The toilet, clean. That's the shower room. Yeah, clean, yeah. Decent one. Very good. We can just have a rest for 2 hours, I think. And then we need to pack our things and go to the airport again.
Wow.